What's up, guys? So I want to make my car have turbo flutter. So the cheapest way and easiest way to do this is I'm just going to unhook the vacuum line off my blow-off valve. There's my blow-off valve. Let's see. Here's what it sounds like with the blow-off valve. We don't want that. Also got some oil smoke going on, that's always good. So this does create a slight vacuum leak, so I'm just going to hook it up onto here. Just like that. And that works for me. I just redid my intake, it's super ghetto, but I don't really care. That's what it looks like. I'll probably eventually fix it at some point, but for now, this is what it sounds like. Alright, this is what it sounds like from the outside of the car. ABS. I mean, I think it sounds pretty cool though. The sun's going down, so the shadows are horrible. This car looks so bad on these wheels and tires. Sounds like I blew a coupler or something. Oh boy, it's really smoking. I don't know what happened, but something's leaking bad somewhere. I don't know. It sounds cool though, don't you think? I sure think it does. So it sounds a little weird now. I don't know what I did. I've been driving it around like for quite a while without the blow-off valve hooked up. I mean, I just showed you in the video how to unhook it, but I don't know, it sounds kind of funny. So it sounds like I got a really bad leak. Who knows? It is what it is. Yeah, I don't know what that noise is. It's weird because it sounds like it's coming in here. I wonder if it's my boost line on for my ECU. It almost sounds like it could be that. These tracks are horrible. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm still gonna rip it though. Yeah, it's coming from under here, so I almost feel like it might be, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. But maybe it almost sounds like the vacuum line that goes to my ECU, which I could be completely wrong because I don't know what I'm talking about. But it sounds like it's inside of the car. I don't know. Sounds cool. Here's with the window down. a cop up there, so I can't go crazy. Yeah, I don't know what boost like I have going on, but I definitely got one going on. Probably just hook up the blow-off valve again and see if I can figure out where it's coming from. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it sounds cool? And I don't really care if you think it's going to hurt my turbo, because it's my turbo, so if it hurts it, why does it matter to you? And I also don't think it's going to hurt my turbo. I'm an idiot. I don't know why I kept saying the line going to my ECU. It's the line going to my boost gauge. Like, obviously it's going to be that one. Yeah, there it is. It's not even hooked up. You can hear it sucking air. So, I'll just hook that back up. Oh, now we're good. These gauges are in here very good too. I barely just wired the oil temp gauge, so finally got that done. It's been quite a while. There we go. Well, that was a simple fix. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. Like I said, I kept thinking it was the one going to my ECU, but why would it be that one? Pretty sure that's just a normal vacuum line. Oh yeah, much better. This exhaust sounds so bad. I actually might drop the top. I haven't dropped the top and heard it, so let's see what that sounds like. I short shifted because it starts blowing air out of the blow-off valves. It's got a horrible leak. So I short shift it and then it sounds better because it really won't hold boost. Very good. Oh brother, that sounds good. Got the top down. Hopefully the sound's not too windy. It's funny how much this turbo flutters with how small it is. It sounds like it's a big turbo. But it's really not. It's really small. It's sounding good. All right, well, I'm actually gonna hook this back up now because I want to. It does sound cool though, don't you think? It's kind of a pain to hook up. I mean, it's not that hard, it's just my hands are big. But you just plug it right back on that little nipple there. Just like that. And now your blow-off valve works again. Oh, well, I guess the door opener thing works too. And then I got all this smoke. Oh man, I got an oil line that's been leaking, so it smokes. It's been doing this ever since it's been done. I just haven't fixed it, just like I don't ever fix anything. But yeah, that's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like if you unhook your blow-off valve, which I think it sounds pretty sweet. So let me know in the comments what you think. Does it sound cool or no? Is it stupid? I don't really care if it's stupid. But anyways, hope you guys liked the video. I'll catch you on the next one.